So I got a service call the other day. The customer said that their daughter went to do a load of laundry and then a washer wouldn't stop filling. As soon as I found out that it was an older Kenmore Elite top loader, I knew right away that it was going to be something to do with the pressure switch. So as soon as I lifted the panel, I saw the problem was the pressure switch was disconnected. Now, I could have charged between $150 and $200 to do this simple little service call. I could have went ahead and switched out the part, or I could have just connected it and said, hey, I switched out the part when I really didn't. But that's just not how I am. My whole point to showing you these videos is that so you can figure these things out and you can help yourself and you don't have to call somebody who might rip you off.